Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we will be doing a quick tutorial in Silhouette Studio. I will be showing you how to make your own custom cut settings. Now some people are just grabbing the notepad and leaving a note about what settings they use for the specific material they will be cutting with that design. An easier way is to just go over to Send, and under Materials, you will click the plus sign. That'll bring up new materials, and you can type in the material that you will be using. Let's say this one is leather. Then you'll go ahead and change your cut settings to how you want it saved. You can change the speed, the force, the passes. You can add in other items like a score action or a set action, so forth and so on. Once you're done, you'll hit save. And then whenever you're looking for these materials that you've customized, you'll always find it all the way at the bottom under User Defined. You'll click on that and all your presets are there. If you ever have to change it because you found a better setting, you can do so by clicking on it, changing it, and the save action will come up again. It's pretty simple, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to, that always helps me out, and I appreciate when you do it. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. If you have an idea of another video I should be doing, leave it down in the comments too. I really appreciate the feedback. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!